Well, today we tried to answer a question absolutely no one is asking. Can you clean aluminium, or be more specific, aluminium bicycle frames with toothpaste like you do with Autosolve? A lot of old people in the past have suggested that this works. However, most old people are retired and have plenty of time on their hands. So, here's the result then. It leaves a residue, which is really annoying because it's almost like you haven't actually done anything. Maybe water will get it off, I'm sure it will. Just give it a... But you have to spend, a good half hour or so before you actually get any kind of result happening. There's no Autosolve sold in Halstead as far as I'm aware, so I kind of had to go with it and use toothpaste. It kind of works, but it's not very good if I'm totally honest. So in an emergency, yes, it'll work, and it's cheap. If you're sane, just get some Autosolve or similar. Anyway, a few additions to this bike. I put some used DMR V12s I had kicking about on it. These RockShox Duke suspension forks, as the RockShox Indies were totally trashed. The elastomers are turned to schmoo. Get a look at that brake lever set up there. Woohoo! Those bars are narrow. The brakes are set up continental as well. So, it's all fun. The back brakes are front, the front's the back, etc. When this bike was gotten rid of, it looks like the tyres were replaced pretty quickly, recently when they sold this to me. Well, not recently, but the bike hadn't done many miles on these tyres, look. So, that's kind of strange. Front wheel bearing's completely shot. So I need to sort that out. It's a radial bearing as well. It just fell apart randomly. Or popped, as the kids call it. STX RC rear hub, STX RC crankset, Fox rear shock. Just to recap what this has on it. The old grip shift shifters on here. And yeah, it's a really light bike, but it's really old school and the suspension doesn't do anything standing up because it's a URT frame. Anyway, that concludes this video. See you later.